Hey guys, so today I am here to tell you about why stress has such a negative effect on your digestion. And it really has a negative effect for a few reasons. But the biggest part of this concept is understanding that when you are stressed, your body is in what we call a sympathetic state or a fight or flight state. So when you're stressed, your body is taking all of its resources and shunting them towards something that's going to give you the ability to run away from stress. And it doesn't matter if stress is that you have too much work on your desk or stress is that you're being chased by a tiger. Your body is doing the same process to handle that stress. So when you are in that sympathetic state, you start to shunt your blood flow to your muscles and you take it away from your digestive tract. You take away the nerve innervation to your digestive tract so that you can breathe faster, your heart can pound heavier, and your muscles can pump and you can run. So we've really downgraded how that digestion works in order to deal with stress. So what happens at the level of the cells is they start to have some changes as well. So your cells change in a way that they stop producing a lot of the products they would produce when you're digesting. So they stop producing the mucus that creates a really soothing lining coating around your digestive tract. They stop producing proper amounts of stomach acid. They stop releasing proper digestive enzymes, and they stop the peristaltic motion or create a chaotic peristaltic motion in some cases, which is the contractions of the muscles from your esophagus through your stomach, through your intestines, and out. So what happens when all of these things go awry? Well, first of all, if you're not producing enough of that mucus type coating, your cells aren't protected from your digestive juices, so your stomach acid and your digestive enzymes. So you start to get irritations, you can get gastritis, or you could get things like ulcers going on, which is definitely uncomfortable for a lot of people. So we don't want that process to occur. The second thing that happens is if your stomach acid is too low, you also will not control the populations of certain bacteria and other things in your digestive tract that shouldn't get a chance to overgrow, and they start to become out of control. So you're going to get different ways that your food is fermented, and that can create a lot of symptoms like gas, bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. You're also not going to get as much out of your foods if you don't have the proper bacteria digesting them. So that's really important. Now, another thing that's going to happen is if your stomach acid is too low, you actually don't close the sphincter that's at the top of your stomach or the bottom of your esophagus. So it's like a muscle that closes very tightly. And stomach acid actually triggers that sphincter to close. So if it's open, stomach acid can come up and down your esophagus and you get heartburn. So that's counterintuitive because we think a lot of times, oh no, heartburn's caused by having too much stomach acid. It's actually more common for it to be caused by having too low of stomach acid. Now, if you're not moving your food through your digestive tract properly, you're not digesting properly, yeah, you're going to get heartburn, burping, fullness. You're going to see things like constipation, diarrhea, and you can also get a lot of gas and bloating. So we can see that the whole system is starting to fall apart if we're not getting that blood flow and that innervation from the nerves to the digestive tract. So we really need to be getting into that relaxation state or that parasympathetic rest and digest state in order to do that digestive process. So doing the very simplest things like sitting at a table that's clear and uncluttered and sitting for 20 minutes after you eat your meal is really going to help your digestion overall.